Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the New Zealand dollar versus US dollar first. So basically what I see here in the daily time frame is we had two more like a neutral days in a downtrending market. We can see that on the daily time frame and on the weekly time frame. So far intraday structure looks pretty neutral, and we have a consolidation going on in the key support area at 0.6095. Because we're sitting in this area, I would like to see potential break to the downside to confirm further downside continuation. So the breakout and hold below 0.6095 can indicate further lower prices, and next area based on a daily time frame is around 0.6100 mark. Actually 0.6070 mark. So we have this daily time frame lows here in the background. And then we have a 0.6 area to pay attention on this one too. So this might be the play, but only if we have a confirmation from the market and if the market can trade lower and take this trading range to the downside. Speaking of the gold market, if we check the daily time frame, yesterday we had an up day. So market here is still trading sideways. Overall is trying to build a higher lows here, but overall is still trading sideways from my perspective. We can see here that we have this range. So yesterday we had an up day, and today we had more like a consolidation day so far. So pay attention to this range. The break to the upside might lead the gold towards the 1838, which is the middle Keltner line, or 20 exponential declining moving average. But also pay attention that if market, for example, find the lower highs and lower lows on 15 or 30 minute time frame, or find some kind of rejection of the previous day high, or even break the downside, this range to the downside, then there will be a chance for test of yesterday's half at 1823, or maybe even for the price to go towards previous day low at 1812. So pay attention on this range. Speaking of the crude oil, the downside and sellers are in control. Market is trading overall into this down cycle, and I don't see any kind of reversals or change in the trend dynamic. Market is trading near the lower Keltner on the 2-hour and the 4-hour time frame, so we might see some reaction back. But overall, the key supports on the daily time frame is set at 74 mark, and then we have area around 72, 75 area. So some rally might be in the play, but then there is still again sellers in control on this market. And Bitcoin finally did a breakout, exactly like we spoke about. So we noticed that this tight days here, and there was a down break, and market is even broke this reached first second objective structural, and now it's heading lower. And from my perspective, if you check weekly frame, the next area of support, I will say around 16,000 mark or 70,000 mark. So sellers really strong. Look at the momentum that kicked in here. So sellers in control. Yes, we have a market trading below the lower Keltner. So this is just telling you how strong the sellers are, and there's still plenty of potential for the price to go lower, because we literally broke like a multi-week balance to the downside, and the next area is around 16,000 mark. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and have a good weekend. Speak to you from next week.